This is my first time using an electric toothbrush. I really like the sleek design of this one and the colors. It's something that if I put out on my countertop that it would really bug me because it doesn't look like a toothbrush and it has that sleek modern design. This one is really cool. You don't have to keep it plugged in on your countertop as you see a lot of the other electric toothbrushes. And the nice thing about this, because I am a germaphobe, if you're a germaphobe, you're gonna love this option. So this has a brush head on it, but it's retracted. So you just press the button, double tap it, and up it comes. So that's a really, really nice feature. When you're done brushing your teeth, you can retract it back down if you have to leave this out on your counter, or if you are putting it into a drawer, it's nice because it retracts. You don't get wet and gunk all over in your drawer, and it fits in a smaller space for traveling as well. So what I thought is that after I used it, that I would have to let it air dry out. Another feature I love about this is, watch this guys. I love the features on this one. So you have the button here, press it once for just cleaning and twice for a deep clean. And then this is the whitening, polishes your teeth a little bit more. Pretty cool. You have 3 different modes on the toothbrush. Your just regular brushing, cleaning mode. You have more of a deep clean, so it will just vibrate a little bit faster. And then you have a whitening mode, which will kind of help polish your teeth. I brushed my teeth using the whitening mode on here, and my teeth felt super polished after you leave the dentist and they brush and polish your teeth. Great feeling. Using this for the first time, it felt like it was kind of tickling my mouth for the first few seconds. After about 30 seconds, I was used to it, and it actually felt like I was getting a good massage in my mouth. Who knew? But this is a great product. When the battery gets low, you just charge it and it's good to go again. So the nice thing is it already comes with 2 extra heads. They are a little bit different. This one kind of dips down like I'm used to with a toothbrush. And this one, I think, yeah, these 2 are the same. The one that comes with it here, and then this one. I really liked this. It has different grooves that go lower, higher. I thought that it cleaned my teeth really well. And also I am a hard brusher usually on my teeth, and so I wear out my toothbrushes. This one, if you press too hard, it will stop. So it has been training me to not brush my teeth so hard, which will eventually wear out your enamel anyways. So I really like that it did that, and I just have to hold it with a light pressure and it does all the rest of the work for me.